Hello, Africa. This is Dr. Godia Mwako from the University of Ghana Medical Center, Department of Plastic Surgery. This video is a call to all plastic surgeons and dermatologists all over Africa who wish to enter the hair restorative surgery program. To talk more about this Africa workshop, I have with me here today Dr. Vivek from ISHR, which is an affiliate of WSHRS. Hi, Dr. Vivek.
Hi, Dr. Godia.
Can you throw some light on this African workshop we are about to host in Ghana?
Yes. Doctor, as you know, the baldness is epidemic now, right?
Yeah.
It's growing wild. So here is a duty of plastic surgeons and dermatologists to learn this branch. If they don't learn it, technicians and those who are not qualified, they will be doing it. This surgery needs some skill development. It's about wearing magnification and hand-eye coordination. So you need a lot of practice and hands-on exposure. Plus, you need a good mentorship because the senior doctors, 10, 15, 20 years, they have gone through the experience. What are the good side of a hair restoration? What are the mistakes happening?
Yes.
So I think doctors across Africa need a good mentorship. They should attend regular good workshops like
That's
this
true.
so that they get hands-on exposure and from the seniors they will not do those mistakes which otherwise they would have done, because you cannot learn hair transplant through YouTube or through technicians or
Very
through
true.
books.
Yes.
And this is a commercial branch. Unfortunately, all over the world, people are not opening up the knowledge. Okay, thinking that competition will increase. So now, like some top faculty coming to your university hospital at Ghana. From there, we are inviting all the doctors from Africa. Unfortunately, there are only 10 seats. Okay. So every year we're going to conduct one workshop. She is the scientific committee chair over there. Her head of the department is our co-alliance director of the workshop, Dr. Fifi, Dr. Zanab. Okay. So in this workshop, it will cover everything, right from anatomy, physiology, right from the science of hair restoration, the extraction techniques, the slit making, the implantation techniques, the hairline designs, the temple designs, the crown design, premium hairline, natural hairline, body to scalp transplant, eyebrow transplant, beard transplant, and much more. Even transgender transplant. Okay. Yeah. And the beauty is that since it's in Africa, as you know, black patients' hair are like C shape.
Yes.
It's different. The advantage is they curl. So less grafts is sufficient, 10 to 20% less. But then you have to see colloidal acnes. So it's different. The black hair transplant is different. And I have seen only the black doctors performing the best black hair transplants,
Yes.
not just in Africa. Black doctors who perform hair transplant on black patients are in demand all over the world. Okay. So black patients definitely need black doctors to excel in this field and offer you the best treatments. Then safety, it's not 100% safe. How to use preservative-free local anesthesia, how to make sure you're not handling with a case. You have to filter out the cases, because today's world's metabolic disease, metabolic syndrome is increasing. So this workshop will also cover about a lot of safety aspects of hair transplant. Then, the graft, it's a journey of a hair graft from back of the scalp to the front. One should not crush the graft. The stem cells should not get damaged. The graft should not turn. Yeah.
Buried.
Yeah. And the angle around 15-20 degree, 10 to 15 degree, 5 to 10 degree, the curls have to be here. How to create illusion of hair. What is sagittal slits and what is the coronal slits?
Yeah.
How to give better illusion of density. What about the soft hair from nape of the neck to give a natural look? What is macro, micro irregularity in the hairline? The depth is important. You cannot transplant like this, as we all know.
Yeah.
So you have already done a fellowship with the ISHR.
Yes.
See, we are ISHR, an affiliate of World Society of Hair Restoration and Surgery. ISHR stands for Indian Society of Hair Restoration. Our global society is World Society of Hair Restoration Surgery. Now, Dr. Fifi, Dr. Zanab, and Dr. Goria will be taking care of African Hair Restoration Society, which is tied up with the World Society of Hair Restoration. So we are coming as a workshop, and in the future, the Dr. Goria, Dr. Fifi, and Dr. Zanab team will lead Africa and offer great hair restoration training program to the whole Africa. So Africa doesn't want to miss. They want to be the best in the world, compete with Americans, compete with Europeans. I think we have a great team in Ghana who is going to bring about one of the best hair transplant on planet Earth. So these are all aspects are there. Then there are different equipments for black hair transplants. There are different types of the punches for the black hair transplant. So we have to go through in detail. So in this 7-day workshop, each and every aspects will be covered. It's a very, very thorough workshop. And yes, unfortunately, we are going to have only 10 doctors
Yes.
because we cannot cover more than that. And of course, later you can keep coming to
Yes.
Ghana for more advanced
Yes.
workshops, right? Yeah.
So limited seats available. This is your chance to be part of the World Hair Restoration Services.
Yeah. If you want to know more about the faculty, curriculum, duration, fees, please WhatsApp to the numbers below or mail us to the email below, because this will have a lot of new things, instant FUE, simultaneously extraction implantation of grafts. What are FUE boosters to make graft survival better? How to avoid adrenaline, epinephrine, otherwise can create necrosis, otherwise that can reduce graft survival. The newer technique like vitamin K, tranexamic acid, how to reduce bleeding as such, how to make a bloodless surgery and a safe surgery, virtually painless surgery, reduce the discomfort to the patients, right?
Yeah.
And of course, it's always advisable to keep an anesthetist around so that the patient has a comfort and the safety factor is there.
Yes.
So, Africa calling, you're all waiting with Dr. Fifi, Dr. Zanab, Dr. Goria, Dr. Vivek, Dr. Divya, Dr. Subhanshu, and all of us waiting for those 10 doctors to become our friends, to meet us together, and maybe one doctor represents one country in Africa. We want to work together as an African forum of, one country, one doctor, led by Ghana Main Center. So we can create a mini society within the world society and keep doing research, scientific papers, and exchange our case histories, talk to each other, both technical aspects and business. And remember, in this workshop, Doctor, as you know, we have a hair cinema division. We're going to help you how to position yourself, how to brand yourself, how to communicate to the world, how to create great videos, great photographies, how to sell yourself. We should not be shy about it.
Yes.
Because in today's world, whatever is seen is being sold. You may be the best surgeon, but people don't know you. An inferior, non-qualified doctor can beat you. So why should we be left behind? Why can't we learn how to upscale our clinic, how to grow our work, how to let the world know about a practice? So detailed practice management tips for plastic surgeons and dermatologists will also be there. So see you soon. Thank you so much, Dr. Goria. It
Thank
was
you, Dr.
pleasure
Vivek.
hosting you.
Yes.
And we are coming to Ghana very soon in the
Yes.
University Medical College. See you soon.